Hello, guys. Today I will present to you my project to save the ocean. First, I will open a credit union because we will need money to pay scientists to make my invention. Second, I will organize clubs of people and schools to pick up rubbish in rivers so that rubbish doesn't go to the ocean. Last, I will pay scientists and I will be a scientist so I can make a special ship. And here is the special ship. This is gonna be on a big, gigantic ship. This is gonna be like a broom. This is gonna be the collector that collects all the rubbish. So when the broom hits all the rubbish in it, the rubbish goes into it and it opens up. This will scare the fish away, so the fish don't get trapped and we don't harm them. And then at night, that collector opens the bins up and he throws it into this gigantic bin that then goes up and throws it on the conveyor belt. This will be all on the bottom ship. Then there are gonna be certain people and certain robots putting all of the rubbish in order. This is gonna be onto your left is gonna be where the plastic goes and gets squished, and then all the other rubbish goes into here where it gets burned up and it pumps the ship. Thank you very much.